This is the way the town looks right now, Guarne. Today is May the 17th, 2020. This is Guarne in Colombia, in the state of Antioquia. And I'm on the lower part, and I need to hit a cash machine to get some cash. So we want life to return to normal. This is sweet wanderings, and I love to wander around. That's the park. This is the town square. This is an old town, small town, here in the Andes Mountains of Colombia during the lockdown in Colombia due to the coronavirus, Covid19, and it's a Sunday. And in these towns, at least in this state of Antioquia, we get these areas called zonas Wi-Fi gratis, Wi-Fi free zones para la gente, for people. And you see a little doggy hanging out. A lot of people are wearing face masks, but a few don't. Bars are closed and everything, but drugstores and some of those eateries, but no dine-in service, just take out or take away, are permitted. And this is the name of the town, Guarne, Puerta del Oriente Antioqueño, door to the eastern Antioquia area. And these are the Andes Mountains. Normally there would be more people here, but today the bell says, by the toll of the bell, not that many, because we have restrictions for people moving around. Today I am able to come to town because it's called Pico y Cédula. Pico y Cédula means, pico means rush hour or peak, and cédula means your identification card. And the last digit, they have 3 digits for today. 1, 2, 0, okay, 1, 2, and 3. And my identification number ends in 3. So I am allowed to come here. So enjoy it and all of that. And of course I have my face mask on today and all. This is me without the face mask and with the face mask again. And enjoy it. I will be bringing more videos as the time passes by, from all areas of the world, wherever I may be wandering, and all that good stuff. So now I have to head over to that cash machine there. Cajero. Cajero, they just say it's short. Cajero means teller, but here they call it cash machine, cajero automático. In English, American English, it would be automatic teller machine, ATM, and the British call it a cash machine. And that's what I'm going to go get some money out of. And all that good stuff. I'm going to withdraw money. So, hey guys, it's all about wandering the world. And I don't plan my trips in terms of planning every little detail. I just plan where I want to go. And then when I get there, I move around and I try to get in touch with the locals. So, until next time, enjoy it. Even though when you see this video, it won't be that date, like that week, because I'm going to start doing these uploads when I get the channel going in about July or August of this year. I think at that time people will the government here will have lifted a lot of travel restrictions inside the country and international as well in terms of incoming and outgoing flights. And that means I can go to other townships and show you beautiful places here in Antioquia and in the coast. Let's see what happens. This is May 17th, 2020, but when you see it, that won't be the date. I'm just giving you a reference point in terms of what you see right now with all of this happening. So, bye-bye guys, enjoy.